Autumn is when plants start to focus their energy on root production. It's a great time to fertilize, and I'm going to show you how to make compost tea, which I think is the best way to fertilize your plants. So we're at my compost pile. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket, and you want to fill it with rainwater, so you don't want to use tap water. You just want to go into your compost pile and grab about 2 cups compost and give it a good stir. What I like to do is I like to let it sit for a couple of days, but you don't really need to. And what you can see is the water is getting nice and dark, and all those nutrients are going right into the water. And you will then use that to fertilize your plants. You want to put the lid on and let it steep for at least 24 hours. There's no need to filter if you're going to just direct pour right onto the plants. If you're going to use a backpack sprayer and do foliar application, you should really use a tea bag, essentially, or a way to, take the big bits of compost out. But because I'm just going to dump it right onto the base of the plant, onto the soil, we don't need to do that. So as I mentioned, I like to do my evergreens. This is an arborvitae, a little bit under stress because of the drought we've had this summer. So I'm going to give all my arborvitaes a good fertilizing. You don't need a lot. Ideally, it's great to do it after it's rained. And all you're going to do, dump right on to the soil and let it seep in. So there you have it, compost tea.